Oh, let's start the vlog from here. What time is it? Almost 9. Eating karaage stick from 7-Eleven. We're getting on the train. Gotta charge it. Oh, I already have 1,000 yen, so I'm good to go. We're on the way to pick up a new car. Are you guys ready? It's gonna be a long travel. So I could have just took a bullet train and leave in the morning and get there in a couple hours, but we're trying to save money as much as we can, so getting on the night bus, I guess. So it's like half the price of bullet train, but it's gonna be like 10 hours bus ride. But we live in super country, so we gotta get on the train. Stay with us till we get to the new car. What are you doing?
何してんの? We are waiting for bus.
Yep. We just got off train and we're just waiting for the tour bus.
そんなにいるんだね.
We're gonna have like 10 hours. Hopefully it's comfortable. I forgot to bring headphones. I had to buy one from convenience store. Luckily 7-Eleven had Apple one and onigiri and drink. 何入ってんの? Back check. Snack. Snack. And snack. She got munchies. Okay. Hi. See you guys in the morning. Ohayo. 眠そうですね. Oh, we arrived. Got off the bus. We gotta take another train to get to the nearest train station and to pick up a new car. Okay. So owner's house is pretty far, a little bit away from here. Hey, I'm already in my new car. Probably not many of you guys can guess this. We're gonna stop somewhere and show it outside. It's turbo, but it's automatic. Are you guys ready? I'm pretty stoked. So here it is. It is Nissan Stagia 4-door wagon, and it is RB25DT turbo model with the full aero kit. What do you guys think? I've been wanting this, and this just popped up on Twitter, so I had to come cop it. So it is double sunroof model, and it's automatic, but let me show you guys the motor. So it is RB25DT turbo. It's same as ER34, same as Skyline motor with the wheels, coilovers, This is ultimate family car. I'm super stoked, and it is all-wheel drive. I can go anywhere on this thing. Woo! Big truck. I can put anything here. This is an ultimate family car. Such a sleeper. Wagon, turbo, all-wheel drive. No.
いいね
Okay. We got 8-hour drive home in this thing. We are at Don Quixote. Forgot to bring phone charger, so get some USB charger for this, and we'll hit the road. Check this out, guys. I just turned the light on and it has a full LED inside the dash, foot, under the foot. Pretty sick. This guy loves red, huh? Red everything. Even LED red AC unit, stereo, gauges, even the vents. Red seat, all red, everything. Blood. This thing cruise nice. Automatic, about 100 kilo, little over 2,000 RPM. We cruising. Had to stop and get my coconut scent hemp air freshener. I have to have this. This is my favorite smell. We just got off in Kyoto. Hyogo, and there's food I didn't want to eat. So we got. Oh, you found it already? So she found the restaurant already. We're gonna go eat. なんていうの? Traditional? Akashiyaki. So I don't think I ever ate one before, so interesting. Oh, this is already cool. The squid. The squid. This city is famous for squid. So this is where I live, and we picked up a car in Hiroshima, and we're over here now, like very tip over right here. It's takoyaki, but in the dashi soup. You know when she is happy, she's hop. She hops. Why are you so happy? to eat this.
15個もある。
よかったね. This is too bomb. This is like takoyaki, but not. There's so many ways to eat, like so many seasoning or sauce or tsuyu, and with this soup or I don't know. Anyway, it's way too good. We ate it all. Nothing's left. どうだった?
今までで一番美味しいご飯だった。
In English?
Best thing ever.
She said best thing ever. Alright, it was a good lunch in traditional way. We stopped at Lawson to grab some coffee and driver switch. Lino's gonna drive it. Lino's gonna drive it for me. Okay, drive safe. Safety first.
Safety first.
Are you tired? It's 8:20. We got 4 more hours driving. We're gonna get there 12:20. Long day. We left house 9 p.m. last night. And we're still on the road 12 hours later. Long day. Hustle doesn't stop. Teamwork. She said she's gonna drive 1 more hours. Not gonna drive 3 more hours after. Hey, good night. Oh, good job. Drove 3 hours. My turn. And dinner time, we stopped at this parking area. Food time. And get some coffee and back on the road. Food court was closed, but this place was open. They have an oden, all kinds of stuff in here. You know, got some stuff. And I just got bento. Well, this will do. We done. Back on the road. Got coffee. Good night. Gotta drive 3 more hours. Let's go. Just got off of a highway and we are dead. It's past 1 o'clock. Well, thank you guys for watching till the end. And if you guys enjoyed this episode, give this video a thumbs up. And if you guys want to see build on this Stagia, comment down below what you think I should do to this. And I appreciate your guys' support and appreciate your likes and comment on this video. Hope you guys enjoyed and stay blessed and see you guys next time. Peace. Back home, I want to put wheels on this thing. Ea just called me and he say I should just put his black tea on here since they're 18. So I was gonna put BNR 34 wheels, but since Ea offered me to put T on, let's put T on and see how it looks. This has 17 at the moment, so it looks a little bit small, but 18 should fit better. Here at my yard, Just grabbing these TEs. Thanks, Josh. Let's see how badass it'll look. I think it will look amazing. Let's get to the rear. Here, check it out. Tea on the stage, yeah. Woo! This is the ultimate sleeper, ultimate family car. I'm liking it more and more. Oh my god. I didn't fit it out at all because I and Lino gonna go travel real soon in this thing, so I didn't want to slam it or fit it out too much. This is way too cool wagon. What do you guys think? TE? I think so.